Hello traders, hope you are all doing great and I hope you really had a nice and good weekend, right? So worldwide markets are all in the green, whether it is Europe, whether it is US or Asia Pacific, everything is in the green, right? But I see this as a just what is that, small retracement. If you see Dow Jones, check the Dow Jones chart, let me show you. Dow Jones, whether it is Dow Jones, S&P 500 or Nasdaq, it is already in pre-COVID levels. Now, Dow Jones, if you see, Dow Jones is at around 29,000, let's say 30,000, right? This was the place, this was exactly where it was before pre-COVID levels. See here, around March 2020, it was around 28,500 and you can see that there is a small retracement when the markets hit 28,500. So this is the same scenario for S&P. In fact, Nasdaq has gone below pre-COVID levels, but Dow Jones S&P is just holding above somewhere around pre-COVID levels. So you have to consider this as just a small retracement or support which we are seeing in US market, and you don't have to talk about Indian market. In fact, Indian market, if I talk about this Bank Nifty, so this is the Bank Nifty chart. It is just around 600 points away from lifetime high, right? 41,600 is the lifetime high, and we Bank Nifty reversed from 41,600, and today we close almost 40,000, right? 39,990 to be precise, right? So we are just 500 points away from lifetime high, and people say Indian markets are very resilient, Indian markets are booming, and that and this, they talk all kind of conspiracy, all kind of things. I really don't know, but what I believe is market may go down. Maybe market may test around 37,000 levels, and this season, this is Diwali season. October month is also is always a month of festivals. So next week also we have 2 trading sessions, 2 holidays, which is very very good for option sellers. So if you want, you can just sell some straddles or strangles next week, or maybe Friday. You are going to make good money, but of course you make sure you hedge your position properly. If you don't hedge your position, you are going to be in trouble, because we don't know what is going to happen or when it will happen in the market, right? Now what happened last Friday. Dow Jones, like, it was down by more than 350 points. Nasdaq, S&P, everything was down, and we really don't know why US futures are all in the green. Not a single stock, whether it is Nifty or Bank Nifty, was in red today. All were in the green, right? So thanks to global cues, thanks to positive global cues, we were able to go on the higher side, right? So but one thing you have to remember is Indian rupee has never gone up. Still it is at around 82.5. US crude is almost 90. Crude oil prices is around $90, and India VIX has also not come down, but our markets want to go on the higher side. So don't you feel something is wrong here? See, if India VIX, if markets are going on the higher side, India VIX has to come down, right? But which is not happening, right? In spite of all these things, India VIX is not ready to come down. So what does that mean is that there are fear among participants, market participants, that market may go on the higher side. See, you just imagine, Bank Nifty is just 500 points away from lifetime high, and India VIX should be around maybe 15 or around 12 levels, right? Still we are around 20 levels. So that is what is kind of frightening, right? Otherwise everything is okay. And if you ask me till when this scenario will continue, I can tell you that in the month of next week, there are very very major events in US market. 27th of October, GDP growth data year on year, and durable goods order month on month September will be out, which is a very very crucial data. I think before after Diwali this will be out, and before one day, I think 27th October, we are, I think Indian markets are off for Diwali. So make sure when you take positions due to Diwali, or if you want to take positions on Diwali or before Diwali, make sure you hedge your position properly. If there is any wrong data, GDP data, things will backfire on you. And if you see other things, FIIs, still these FIIs have sold around 1011 crores, and it was DIIs who have bought for around 1624 crores, right? So, and if you see the open interest wise, there is literally no call rating at all. Every Tom, Dick and Harry in this market is selling put option, whether it is Nifty or Bank Nifty, right? Both in Nifty and Bank Nifty, people are writing put options, right? There is no call options at all. In fact, they have not written today. I wouldn't say there is no call option. There are call option. 17,500 Nifty, they have written call options, and 17,300 short straddle is being written. So there are call options. But what I'm trying to say is there is no significant calls or puts being written today. So this is the chart of Nifty, right? Open interest chart of Nifty, and Bank Nifty also same scenario. In fact, there are calls being written at 40,500, 40,000 also people have written, 41,000 also people have written, and maybe 39,500 and 39,000 puts were written aggressively today. So we might test maybe before 26th or 27th of October, we might test a lifetime high. Who knows? Only God only knows what is going to happen. Otherwise, I think we have to go along with the market. I was planning to short the market today, but I thought we will see today's Friday itself. I was thinking of shorting the market. So I thought we will see what is happening on Monday, then we will short the market, because previous 2 days, US markets were rallying really in a good bull mode, right? So I thought we will wait for another 1 or 2 days, then we will short the market. But looking at all these things, I think I shouldn't be shorting the market, or I am not going to go long in the market also. Anyway, I don't have much of a positional risk, because we have reduced our positional overnight positions. So maybe we will take some non-directional strategies, because there are lots of holidays coming up. We might take some non-directional strategies or ratio spread or some other strategies, so that we can make some money. So that is what we are thinking, and that is our idea for this month. And this month has been pretty good. It's okay. Maybe I think 1 or 1.5% we have earned till now. We are okay with this market. We will travel along with the market. We are not going to take any, and I can tell you, market is not going to move aggressively any side, whether it is positive or negative side. Maybe it's going to consolidate with the positive base, and tomorrow is a Nifty expiry, also Tuesday. So we'll see how things pan out. For now, we are going to take non-directional trades, since there are lots of holidays in this October series. So let us see how things pan out. And last but not least, we'll also see the US market. You know what is happening to the US market. US futures, Dow Jones, whether it is Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq, everything is in the green. And Europe is also ended in the green. It's already trading in the green. So as I told you, whether it is Asia Pacific or whether it is Europe or whether it is US, nothing is in red, everything is in the green. So why should we short the market, right? So let's travel along the market. We'll take non-directional strategies, and I'm not going to short the market now. Maybe next series we will try to short the market, and we will take non-directional strategies, right? So that's it, my friends. Nothing much. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow in another video. Take care. Bye.